apps, music, and files without worrying about space. Yes, you heard that right. This smartwatch supports the Google Play Store, meaning you can download unlimited apps, games, and tools right from your wrist. Imagine having YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Google Maps all in your watch. That's the ultimate convenience. Here's where things get exciting. Unlike regular smartwatches, the Fire-Boltt Snapp supports a 4G Nano-SIM Slot. That means you can make calls, send texts, and browse the internet without needing a smartphone nearby. Need directions? Just use Google Maps. Want to catch up on social media? Scroll through your feeds effortlessly. This smartwatch is basically a mini smartphone on your wrist. Wait, it gets even better. This smartwatch has a built-in selfie camera. Yes, a camera on your wrist. Perfect for quick snapshots, video calls, or even scanning QR codes. And because your health matters, the Fire-Boltt Snapp comes with advanced health monitoring features. Heart rate variability, HRV, dynamic heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, SpO2, sleep tracking, and sports modes. Whether you're into fitness or just want to track your health, this watch has you covered. Now let's talk about power. The 1000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting performance, so you won't be running for the charger every few hours. With up to 30 days standby time, this watch is built for heavy users. So, should you buy the Fire-Boltt Snapp Smart Watch? If you want a watch that offers 4G connectivity, Play Store access, a selfie camera, stunning AMOLED visuals, and killer battery life, then yes, this is the perfect smartwatch for you. Don't miss out. Click the link below and grab yours today. Upgrade your wrist. Upgrade your life. The Fire-Boltt Snapp is waiting for you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what feature do you love the most in this smartwatch? See you in the next video. Happy shopping!